Before Westminster Tool, I was working as a manager at a restaurant company.
I was in a completely different industry. I was in the banking industry.
I was in high school and working at a diner.
Before here, I was a security guard. I was a quality assurance manager for a company in Stonington, Connecticut.
I used to pump gas in my uncle's gas station for a couple years.
I was previously employed at a company called GKN Aerospace.
Prior to working here, I owned my own business.
I think this has a great outlook. There's a big push to bring manufacturing back to the States. There's tons of work, not a whole lot of skilled people out there right now. People are retiring, so there's a big push to get younger, more skilled people in.
In the 8th grade, I took an internship at my local tech school with the goal of showing kids that manufacturing wasn't this dark and dirty field that it was in the 50s. During that course, I made a couple small projects, learned the basics of machining, and that's really what kind of got my attention with manufacturing. I've always liked making things with my hands. A lot of times I get reactions of like disbelief or shock that I work in manufacturing, but I think that's what makes me like my job that much more.
As long as you have a high school diploma, you can kind of make your way into the field and still have a shot at growing. There's tons of opportunities for advancement. There's a lot of different areas that you can move into. You're not necessarily put into one position and left there.
Back in 2012, I was laid off from my previous career, so I needed a form of income that was going to be steady and growing, so I researched a little bit. It's a growing industry, it has a bright future, so I went back to school and got my degree in that.
Because of the advancement in the automation, skilled workers are definitely needed.
What skills are needed to be successful in the field of manufacturing?
I would say probably creativity, problem solving, math is obviously a big one. Those would probably be the three big ones.
Eagerness to learn is probably the most important skill that someone would have to thrive in the field of manufacturing.